How many words is this? Ever thought about what makes an excavation service stand out in Brookfield, Missouri? First Call Plumbing leads with a unique approach rooted in values that make them the top choice for excavation in Brookfield, Missouri. Located at 1813 Fairchild Street, Chillicothe, Missouri, 64601, First Call Plumbing offers professional excavation services designed for Brookfield customers. Their experienced team handles trench digging, site preparation, and sewer line repairs with utmost care and precision. The pros at First Call Plumbing are more than contractors. They are committed to putting customers first. Known for responsive service, they tackle garbage disposal and plumbing worries in about 9 hours, showing their commitment to excellent care. For fast and reliable excavation help, call 660-654-4679. First Call Plumbing provides tailored excavation services for Brookfield, Mo, including professional trench digging, site preparation, and sewer room repair. Their responsive service ensures quick resolution of customer concerns within about 9 hours, making them the preferred choice for excavation services. Contact them at 660-654-4679 for expert and reliable excavation services. First Call Plumbing in Chillicothe, Mo stands out for its professionalism. Their licensed team in Brookfield, Mo offers top-notch plumbing services, handling leak detection, drain and water heater installations, and sink repairs. The experts always aim to provide personalized attention, give detailed quotes, and focus on fixing plumbing problems with high safety and success rates. The company is proud of its excavation work, serving many types of clients with the latest equipment for efficient work. Licensed for any excavation job in Brookfield, Mo, their team is quick to respond and eager to please, making them the top plumbing service in the area. Additionally, their prices offer great value for money. First Call Plumbing excels in providing high-quality excavation services, working hard to meet customer needs with precision and professionalism. Their trench digging services are perfect for various projects like utility work and landscaping, ensuring each trench is correctly sized. Site preparation is essential for a strong and safe foundation, and their team carefully prepares the site considering local land and soil. Immediate sewer line repair prevents bigger problems and saves money in the long run. The skilled sewer line repair experts find and fix the main problem, extending the sewer system's life. First Call Plumbing also offers a wide variety of plumbing repair services, ranging from everyday maintenance to detailed installations. They specialize in toilet and faucet repairs, ensuring plumbing systems work perfectly, and offer water heater services in Brookfield, Mo, handling both installation and repairs. Homeowners rely on them for quick leak fixes and damage reduction strategies. The skilled team includes licensed contractors with various qualifications, allowing them to address any plumbing project issue. For tasks ranging from installing sump pumps to fixing faucets, they deliver speedy and effective solutions, with an average quote time of about 9 hours. At First Call Plumbing, the goal is to provide top-notch plumbing repair services, focusing on customer satisfaction and quality work. With services like toilet and faucet repair and water heater service in Brookfield, Mo, they are the top choice. The wide range of services and experienced team ensure all plumbing needs are covered.